So CapCut has dropped so many new AI features lately that I feel like I need another AI just to keep track of them. So I made this video to show you every single one. And yeah, I know their content politics are getting wild, like we own your soul if you upload a cat video wild. But honestly, some of these tools are just too good to ignore. So if they want to steal my content, let them be. Let's get straight into it. So open CapCut, create a new project, and let's start from the basic ones and then we'll go to the more complicated ones. So let's import some videos. We'll use this one and this one first. Let's add this video to the timeline. Okay, so obviously this video is in format for Instagram and TikTok. And let's see what we have as a basic AI features, which are really good for editing. Okay, going down, we have AI expand feature, which is actually free. So if you would like to use this x69 format, let's click on AI expand. Then let's choose 69 and click on generate. And so here is the fully expanded video to fit my aspect ratio. Let's see. Really good quality. So we had only this for TikTok and Instagram or YouTube Shorts, and now everything is expanded by using AI. Pretty good. So if you add this video to the track, this is the original. Let's mute this one. So it looked like this, and now it looks like this. So pretty good AI expansion. Nice. Let's remove this one here. Let's add additional video. Once again, if we go into basic here, we can click on AI remove. What this will do, for example, if I would like to delete Occupy here from Elon's shirt, I could just mark those down and then click remove. I will not do that currently because it costs me 500 credits and I only have 800 credits more. Each month you receive more credits if you are pro user of CapCut. So let's turn this off. Let's go to another video, this one, and let's see some other features. For example, as we have this lady here, we would like her to, I don't know, stand on Elon's shoulders. We can just click on remove BG and click on auto removal. This is free feature as far as I know. At least it is in my version of CapCut. Okay, so here she is. Let's move her here. Nice. In a matter of seconds, it removed complete background from the video. Let's see now. Nice. Pretty good auto removal. Yeah. Okay. Then let's select this video here. Let's go back to the basic. Let's click on eye contact. This is a free feature that redirects your gaze to the camera, making your video more natural and engaging. So let's click this one also. So it applied. Let's see now. You see how he kind of fakely look at camera. This is all being done by AI. It actually looks kind of weird. Yeah. Let's see also if Rogan will do that. Yeah. He also has weird look in his eyes. You see, this is being done by AI and in free version. Now what we also have, if you click then on audio, standard things like normalizing loudness, enhancing voice, but we also have video translator, which is a pro feature. So if I click on video translator, I can choose many different languages. Let's choose Italian. And let's also enable lip sync. Estimated credits is around 40. I have 800 more. So if I click apply, it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to generate Italian translation. So let's click apply. Yes. And then wait. And after a couple of minutes, this is what we have. So let's hear that one. I need to unmute because this should be funny.
Tipo d'affari o qualcosa del genere. Penso che la mia pagina Wikipedia dica
Nice.
magnate degli affari.
Come ti definiresti?
Un magnete per gli affari? Qualcuno può per favore cambiare la mia pagina Wikipedia?
This is funny. Let me just remove this model. She's not needed here anymore so that it's not lagging so much.
Tipo d'affari o qualcosa del genere. Penso che la mia pagina Wikipedia dica magnate degli affari.
Come ti definiresti?
Un magnete per gli affari? Qualcuno può per favore cambiare la mia pagina Wikipedia in magnete?
Lo cambieranno subito, probabilmente è già cambiato.
È bloccato, quindi qualcuno deve essere in grado di sbloccarlo e cambiarlo in magnete. Voglio essere un magnete.
This is pretty good. Yeah. So what else can we do in audio? But here on the left side, we can create AI music. So let's create, for example, drum and bass music as a background for this video. So it will be kind of an Italian drum and bass, Elon Musk and Joe Rogan. And here it is, it's generated. Let's just mute this part out to hear it. Looks good. Actually sounds good. Now let's unmute this track so we have a mix of them talking in Italian. Yeah.
Tipo da fare o qualcosa del genere. Penso
Nice. Let's just decrease the volume of the music and then we'll have a nice compilation.
che la mia pagina Wikipedia dica magnate degli affari.
Come ti definiresti?
Un magnete per gli affari? Qualcuno può per favore cambiare la mia pagina Wikipedia in magnete?
Lo cambieranno subito, probabilmente è già cambiato.
È bloccato, quindi qualcuno deve essere in grado di sbloccarlo e cambiarlo in magnete.
Uno per
Voglio essere un magnete.
Now this is nice. Okay, let's go back. Now, so we covered some of the basics here in video, also in audio, then in speed and animation we don't have anything, but we do have here, if you click on AI Stylize, then you have several AI effects. Let's click here and let's use, for example, CG1 and then click generate. Okay, so you see it created a couple of interesting versions of Elon here. This one, this one, this one. Yeah, let's choose this one. After that, click on generate video. So this took quite some time, so I used another video and generated this. It looks pretty similar. Let's see.
Business guy or something like that. Like my Wikipedia page says business magnate.
What would you call yourself?
Nice. Rogan looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, this AI Stylize is working pretty good. Okay, so now let's use AI here in the text part, AI packaging, to create and generate captions, highlights, keywords, and add sound effects and more to your video where needed. Let's click start. Here we have kind of a enhanced captions. You see they're added. It didn't add any specific effects. Nonetheless, let's see.
Tipo da fare o qualcosa del genere. Penso che la mia pagina Wikipedia dica magnate degli affari.
This
Come
one.
ti definiresti?
Un magnete per gli affari? Qualcuno può per favore...
Nice. Okay, so we have all of that. Standard things, auto captions are, by my opinion, better, and it's also kind of also AI in the background. Then also one AI feature that is enabled here in the text part is in the text templates. So if you click on AI generated, you can create different templates by using your words, for example, I don't know, testing, and then change here the description, bacon and basil pasta, or savory and soft yellow, something else, frosted glass. Let's generate frosted glass in the testing word. Click generate. So you see how does that look like. You can easily add that and then use this AI generated text template, add it to your library, and then use it whenever you want. Pretty good. Also, let's move here in the stickers part. You can AI generate your own sticker. For example, haircut, I don't know. Nice. So there are a couple of those. Let's, for example, use this one. Okay, so we added that. Let's remove caption. And now Elon will have its own haircut. So I know some of those AI features are stupid, but I said that I will show everything that is available, so I'm trying to do that. Yeah.
Tipo da fare o qualcosa del genere. Penso che la mia pagina Wikipedia...
Nice. We have also that. On FX part, there are no specific AI features because all of that is basically kind of an AI. Transitions also, captions, we went through all of those. So let's return back to the media. I'll remove all of this from the track. So here we have three different options: AI image, AI video, or AI dialogue scene. Let's start with AI images. So here we enter the prompt, for example, create an image of a chubby black cat on roller skates. Then choose the model, Dream 3.0, let's say this is the best, aspect ratio, and then generate. It will by default create 4 different images in probably 25-30 seconds. Okay, and here are the images. This one looks pretty funny. Nice chubby cat, This one also doing roller skates and laughing. This one is also nice. I don't know why always one roller skate is missing, but it is. And let's see the last one. Also one roller skate missing, but the cat looks chubby, happy, and nice. Pretty good. Okay, going back to the AI video, let's do something similar. You can do image to video or text to video. This time we'll do text to video because it's more interesting. You choose the model, dance, and then let's enter the prompt. The more detailed the prompt you give, it will be the better video. I just wanted to here show the example. So black chubby cat on roller skates once again. It will create a video probably in a minute or two. So let's speed up. And here is the funny looking and scared cat on roller skates. Let's see the video. Yeah. Nice. All the details are pretty good. See the floor, see the cat. Yeah. Nice little details. And then we have AI dialogue scene. Basically, this is very similar to AI avatars, mostly used if you like to create kind of a more interesting and fun-based video, while avatar is mostly for, I don't know, presentations, podcast, narration, etc. So first what we need to do is uploading a character photo to create narrator. So this time we'll use Sweeney, of course, and then we need to enter the dialogue. What will she say? So I love artificial intelligence and blue jeans. Then you choose the voice you would like to have her. Let's say Blake. And then you click on generate. This will cost me 60 credits. And after a couple of minutes, we have Sweeney here. Let's see her talk.
I love artificial intelligence and blue jeans.
Really? Let's try once again.
I love artificial intelligence and blue jeans.
Pretty good. So you see, she's moving her hands, lip sync, narration, everything is being done pretty good. Expression, everything is there. Yeah, you see? Fine. So what can we do additionally? Let's upload one more photo. So let's use this one where we have two people. Basically, what you can do if you upload an image of two people, you can create a narration for all of them simultaneously, for only one of them, or for the second person. That way you can create a dialogue. Let's use, for example, this one. Let's say, how you doing? And let's create a dialogue. And here is the created dialogue between two of them. Basically, both of them will say the same. Let's hear that out.
How are you doing?
Nice. So what we can do now is we can play with those two videos. For example, let's do the following. Let's freeze this video so we have a longer version of it. Nice. Then let's add this video on top, exactly here. Let's move Sydney here. Now this looks nice. So let's see, for example, now what they are doing. So Tom Brady and Sweeney having a narration.
How are you doing?
I love artificial intelligence and blue jeans.
Okay, not bad. Let's just also freeze this video. It should look better now.
How are you doing?
I love artificial intelligence and blue...
Nice. Let's hear it once more.
How are you doing?
I love artificial intelligence and blue jeans.
Nice. So basically those are the all AI features that are available in this environment, and there are many others in home screen. But there are also, let's say, one more here that is not working very good, but I need to show it as I wanted to show everything. So let's upload, for example, this video that is not with good quality of Einstein talking with his friend. Let's cut it out so that I don't spend too much time on that. Okay, so here you see the video. Nice. When you click on the video, on basic part, you can go down and then enhance quality. Let's choose UHD, and then after probably a minute or two, this video will be enhanced. Now the video is enhanced, so let's add the initial video to the scene so that we have a comparison. And let's see. This is enhanced video. And this is the original video. So you see, this is the original, this is enhanced. So we have more clarity, better quality resolution, and that's it. But it works pretty good actually. Fine. So I think we explained everything here that is with regards to AI. Now let's go to the home screen where we have many different things. AI video maker, script to video, Brainstorm with AI, long video to shorts, video translator. We already showed that in that environment. AI dialogue scene, AI fashion model, AI video, AI images. So some of the things are duplicated here. Some are only available here. Some are only available there. Let's start with script to video. This one is an interesting. So for example, we can here choose the category for AI writer, movies and TV, games, commercials, cooking tutorials. Let's here use movie and let's enter the name of the movie. So Ex Machina, let's choose the duration of 1 minute. Use highlights, advanced visual effects, human robot interaction. That's good. Generate the script. And here is the script. Choose the voice. Let's use, I don't know, Sir British narrator. And then let's generate video using smart generation. So CapCut will generate video with materials from CapCut. Okay, so CapCut created the whole video from the materials used from the internet. It created the narration, split scenes, everything. Let's see how does that look like. Remember, this is based on the topic that I give, and it was based on the Ex Machina movie.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the thought-provoking world of Ex Machina, a film that brilliantly explores the complexities of artificial intelligence. This cinematic gem not only showcases advanced visual effects that are nothing short of breathtaking, but also invites us to ponder the ethical implications of creating sentient beings as we follow the story of Caleb, a young program.
Nice. So you see the point. I would always say it's much better to use your own videos, your own voice and everything that you can. But this could be the first kind of a baseline for your video. And here we see many different pretty good videos that again you can also use for your video if needed. Now let's go to AI video maker. Many different things that it can be done here. So you can do instant AI video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, and match media to script in one click. Very similar things. It will all come back to the one point where it will create video based on the script. Let's try using this one. So let's choose the character as a realistic or movie photograph. Let's use realistic. Aspect ratio, let's use this one. We can either enter our own script or generate a script. So for example, AI robots talking. I don't know why that, but let's use that. And then based on this idea, it will create the whole script. So you see, creating script, then it will create a voiceover, and then it will generate media. Basically, this will be kind of a slideshow with the script and voiceover. And you can then add your own videos and everything that's needed. So here is the full, let's say, short movie on the topic that I proposed and CapCut created overall scene. Let's see that.
This is what would happen if a bunch of AI robots started talking to each other. You have to understand that these robots are not humans. They don't have metaphors, no sarcasm, just facts.
Pretty good. So you get the picture. How does that work? Let's remove from the full screen. You can edit and rearrange all of those easily like that. You can rewrite the script. You can change the scenes, add avatar or add your own media. Also different elements on the subtitles, captions, AI edit, and also add your own music. What you can also do is click Edit More. This will open the full environment of CapCut, where you will have the ability to edit everything as you do with your own created video. Let's put it like that. And here you have everything, the narration, the AI images, and also the titles. Looking pretty good. Then you can use those images where you like. Pretty good. Let's go to other features. Once again, click into AI Video Maker. Let's click on Brainstorm with AI. Enter your idea. So we can put any idea here. For example, how electricity works. And then it will create several topics for you automatically, which you can then explore further. So for example, the topic 1, Unraveling the Mysteries of Electricity, a deep dive into current flow. The shocking truth about how electricity powers our lives. Let's say that we would like to create a video on that one. Then we can explore more how we can do that. How we can find the materials for this kind of videos. And here you see, first establish context, frame your research problem within existing literature, identify gaps, clarify importance, set objectives, and summarize findings on the video. Let's say we would like to explore this one more. So how we would do that? So it is basically recommending us topics and recommending us steps and ways how we can research on that topic to create a pretty nicely tight video. So background information, help refine the search, pretty standard things. We said that we would like to create a video on the shocking truth about how electricity powers our lives. Then click generate script, more requirements, duration. Let's leave everything as a default. And here you have the full script generated by AI. For example, we flip a switch and nothing happens. We walk into a room and the lights turn on. We plug in the device and magically powers up. But have you ever stopped to think about what's really happening when you use electricity? So you have everything there. Then you can, for example, click here and use avatar to narrate this video or use your own voiceover. Basically, you see this environment looks similar as where we did AI instant video. There you can add avatars, your own media, elements, music, everything. So I will not bother you with that, very similar things as previously explained. Once again, clicking to AI Video Maker, we can do an avatar video. And I will not explain the last one because it's basically pretty similar as all. So let's use, I don't know which person. Andy looks nice. You can create your own avatar by uploading your image or anyone's image, and it will create an avatar out of that image. Let's generate a script about love and games. Here you can choose the voice and let's create. So video is done. Now let's hear what she has to say about love and games. Full screen.
Do you play games, not like Candy Crush or Puzzles and Dragons, but like actual games with real people where the goal is to get them to like you?
Pretty good. Her voice is lagging, but this is because of full screen. Let's put it here.
Rather just play by myself, but
I like
sometimes
that.
when I'm playing
So she would rather just play by herself. Nice.
game and I'm losing, I'll throw my phone across the room in frustration, and then I'll get a notification that says, you have received a like from someone. And I'll be like, who?
Nice. So you see, this is the same environment as we showed before. You have many different avatars and you can create your own avatar easily inside CapCut. So now let's show only a couple of more AI features that are available. And one very useful AI feature is long video to shorts. It basically does the same things as Opus Pro or Nexus Clips, but not exactly in a perfect way as those. So with Pro version of CapCut, you have 300 minutes of video shortening per month. In free version, you have 60 minutes. So drag and drop your files of video you downloaded from YouTube, or you have long form videos, for example, podcast, just upload them here and just say to the CapCut to create many short videos out of that one long video. I already did that for the Joe Rogan and Elon Musk podcast of this video where I had 25 minutes, and CapCut by default created 13 different shorts out of that. Basically choosing the topics based on trending and the probability of if it could go viral or not. So this is the trending AI topic. Let's hear the short video.
But I think we will not be able to hold a candle to AI.
Of course. You can then export and upload to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever. As said, 13 shorts have been created for me. I can just download them easily and or edit more, because as you see here, the captions are not really viral like. They're mostly black and white, pretty simple. But you know, it works and it can replace Opus Pro or Nexus Clips if you like. And now let's choose the last and the final thing, because we showed everything else. AI fashion modeled. So here you can try out different clothes. You can upload a clothing photo or a model photo. Let's upload a clothing photo, this very nice pants. And now we can use that item with all the models to see how does that look like. So let's, for example, click on this model here, go down and click generate. 8 credits will be consumed. And here we have the model in that pants. We can then generate video or save. Here is the another example. So you see, it really did use the same pants. Let's choose another model. For example, this one, remove this one, and once again, generate. Here is the model in these pants. So yeah, this works pretty good. I don't know why would you like to use that so much, because you have in many different brands online, you can also choose items automatically, but yeah, it's available and it's there. So that would be it. All of the AI features, I think there are 20 plus of them, and I could name more that are kind of a mix of AI or natural video editing, but I think it's good to stop here. So many different use cases. Some are really, I think you should not use them too much. It's much better to create your own videos, but use those to help you in editing, to help you, enhance images, videos, to help you generate ideas, and then bring it all together using your imagination. That is the best way how you can use AI features inside CapCut. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this useful, please do like and subscribe, and we'll talk some next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.